Good day, children. Welcome to Primary 3 Home Economics. I remain your teacher, Bike Mata, and our topic today is materials for caring for the body. Materials. How do we care for our body? Care of the body. We pick the first one. Hair. How do you care for your hair? The first one, you comb regularly. You comb your hair regularly. You don't comb on Monday and leave. You will not comb on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then on Saturday you will not comb your hair. No. Combing of hair should be done regularly. Then the second one is trim from time to time. You trim your hair for the boys. You trim your hair from time to time. The third one is keep dry and clean. You keep your hair dry and clean. Use appropriate hair cream. Don't use your body cream on your hair. Use hair cream. Then the last way we can care for our hair is plait or weave the hair. For the girls, you plait your hair or you weave your hair. Don't leave your hair bushy. Make sure you plait your hair or you weave your hair. If you can't plait the hair, you can do what? Trim it. Then the next part of the body we look at is skin. How do you care for your skin? Skin is the outer covering of the body. How do you care for the skin? The first one, protect your skin from the sun. Protect your skin from the sun. Meaning you shouldn't stay on the sun. When the sun is too harsh, you leave that particular place. Protect your skin from the sun. Wear a suitable clothes. Wear a suitable clothes. Eat a healthy diet. Eat a healthy diet. You eat balanced diet, not carbohydrates all through, not protein all through, not vitamin all through. Make sure you balance the diet. Make sure you take balanced diet, carbohydrates, protein, vitamin, fats. Make sure you take all these are good for your skin. Then the next part is the eye. Yes, your eyes are an important part of your body. Your eyes, see my eyes. Your eyes are important. My own eyes are important. How can I care for my eyes? The first one, avoid direct sunlight. Some of you will keep your eye. When the sun is too harsh, you raise your eye. What are you looking for? Avoid direct sunlight. Do not read in dim lights. You don't stress your eye. The light is not bright. You'll be looking. No, you are stressing the eye. Do not read in dim lights. Make sure the light is bright. Don't read in dim lights. The next way of caring for our eye, clean your eyes. You don't use your hand to clean your eyes. Most children use their hands to clean their eyes. No, you use what? Clean clothes to clean your eyes, not your hand. Then the next thing is ears. The ear is the sense of hearing. The ear dictates sound. How do you care for your ear? How can one care for his ear? Do not insert small objects into your ears. Don't insert small objects into your ears. You insert small objects into your ears. It is not good. Then the next one, limit your exposure to loud noise. Limit your exposure to loud noise. Don't stay in a noisy environment. Don't stay in a noisy environment. Dry out your ears after swimming or bathing. Dry out your ears after swimming or bathing. After bathing, you dry your ear. You use your towel and dry your ear. You use your towel to dry your ear. Dry it very well. Avoid exposure of loud noise. Don't stay in loud and noisy environment. Then, most children use earpiece. You will put your earpiece and you will increase the volume. It's not good. You will use your earpiece and you will increase the volume. It is very bad. Then the last way is consult your doctor when you notice any pain. No, don't keep things to yourself. When you find out that your ear is paining, maybe one of your ears is paining you, you consult your doctor. You tell your parents. Don't keep it to yourself. Make sure you tell your parents when you notice a change or some sign in your ears. Children, all these we listed are the ways we can care for different parts of our body. See you next time, still on State Station, Den of Knowledge. Bye.
Bye.